Heavenly Father, as I try to rule my destiny, I pray that you just help me. The rich man wealth is in the city. Yeah. Destruction of your soul is his poverty. Lord, destruction of the poor is vanity. Yeah. I wanna rule my destiny. Hey, I wanna rule my destiny. Whoa, 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 whoa. Destiny, mama look from when you calling. Destiny, mama look from when you calling. Yeah, I wanna rule my destiny. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Destiny, mama look from when you calling. Destiny, mama look from when you calling. Yeah, I wanna rule my destiny. Yeah, yeah. I wanna rule my destiny. Yeah, yeah. I wanna rule my destiny. Destiny.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
Touriss. All right, so you look like a star. There's no question. And I think that it's very easy to like you because you have a very likable spirit. You emanate joy and fun. And if you ever see him backstage, it's pure joke and trouble him give. That was nice. It was okay, though. I wanted you to take off your glasses so I could see your face talking about the destiny. You know what I mean? So it's just to develop the performance aspect of it. You're a good singer, and we like you. Obviously, Jamaica likes you, so I hope they keep voting for you.
Anthony.
Competent but mediocre. I don't think that's going to recommend you to Jamaica. Take off your glasses, show us who you are. You're still a performer in hiding.
Conroy.
Yeah, that song is full of so much emotion that we want to be able to feel that coming from you. And it's hidden behind the glasses that you wore. You sounded okay, but I agree it was just okay.
Thanks, judges.